welcome back to my channel. In case you are just joining us, this is Smart Brain Academy online tutorial. My name is Mrs. Oluwafemi, and today I will be showing you how to multiply 2 digits without using calculator, without any condition. Because the last time I taught you how to multiply 2 digits without using calculator but as conditions. But today we are going to do the one that doesn't require any condition. In case you missed the last tutorial, follow the link below to know more about it. So get your writing material and let's get started. Okay, let's say 72 multiplied by 18. You know, last one, so it must be the same number, the same digit, and this one must add up to 10, but this one doesn't require any condition, so we just multiply it. So let's start. If you have numbers like this, when you have them, they give you like this, you rule 3 lines. When you rule 3 lines, you multiply the first digit with each other. That's 7 multiplied by 1. And you now write it on the first line, which is what? 7. Then you now multiply the second digit by the second digit. That's 2 multiplied by 8, which will give us what? 16. But you know that we cannot write 16 at once. That means we are going to write 6 and keep 1. So the next thing we are going to do is to multiply this second digit here with the first digit here. That's 2 multiplied by 1. We are going to write it and keep here. Then we are going to multiply 7. That means the first digit here by the second digit here. That is what? 7 multiplied by 8. That will give us what? 56. That's 2 plus what? 56. And it will give us what? 58. So, like I said, we are not going to write 58 here. That means we are going to write what? 8 and keep what? 5. Now the next thing to do is to what? Add everything together, which is what? 6. 1, remember we kept 1 here. That's 1 plus 8 will give us what? 9. 5 plus 7 will give us what? 12. So that means our answer is what? 1296. That means 72 multiplied by what? 18 will give us what? 1296. Should we try another one? Okay. Okay, let's try another one. Let's say 13 multiplied by what? 14. Let's do this one together. We will root 3 lines, multiply the first digit by each other, which is what? 1 multiplied by 1 will give us 1. Then we're going to do what's next? Multiply the second digit by each other, which is what? 3 multiplied by 4, which will give us 12. And where are we going to write it? The last line. That is what? We are not going to write 12, so we are going to write 2 and keep 1. So the next thing we are going to do is to multiply this second digit by the first digit, which is what? 3 multiplied by 1 will give us 3. So we are going to multiply this first digit with the second digit again, which is what? 4. So 3 plus 4 will give us what? 7. So that means our answer here is what? 7. So the next thing we are doing right now is what? Is to add everything together. So addition. So this one is what? 2. This is what? This is 2. So 7 plus 1 will give us what? 8. And this one is what? 1. That means 13 multiplied by 14 will give us 182. Are you surprised? Like, I have one student, anytime you see something that surprises her, he says, "Auntie, oh my God, you just see the magic." I say, "No, it's not a magic. Let me show you how." So let's do another one again. This time around, let's get a number. Let's say 92 multiplied by 81. 9 multiplied by 8. Don't forget, let's root 3 9. Let's root 3 9. So 9 multiplied by 8 give us 72. That means we are going to write our 72. Yeah. Then we are going to multiply what next? 2 by 1. which is what? 2. Next thing we are going to do is to do what? This second multiplied by this first digit. 2 multiplied by 8, which will give us what? 16. Plus what? Let's do it together. 9 multiplied by 1, which will give us 9. So that means 16 plus 9 will give us 25. So our answer is 25, but we are not going to write the 25. We are going to write 5 and keep 2. So the next thing we are doing, I hope you remember, is to what? Add everything together, which is what? 2, 5. We kept 2 here, so 2 plus 2 will give us what? 4, and this remains 7. So that means 92 multiplied by 81 will give us 7,452. So I hope with all this my explanation, you can now multiply 2 digits without using calculator. So remember to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your notification to get notified next time we drop our next video, which is going to be an interesting topic. So see you next time. Bye.